You want to help me get this wood off of here? Get the smaller pieces down there and don't hurt yourself. Why'd you do that? You all right? There they are. 2 6x12s. Yeah, send it that way. There we go. And then see if we can. You want to guide that in so it doesn't want to rotate off. Dang, I can't get my fingers under it. No, I'm trying to get an angle that doesn't have my back in a bind. Yeah? That's because it's an angle. If you want to put some pressure going that way, I'm going to pick this end up. I can get my feet stable. Is the angle where I can make it in that door yet, or no?
Probably. Yeah. Oh, you're on top of that one. There we go. Perfect.
Look at that.
Hold on, I gotta take a step here.
A little bit more, we'll get this furniture mover under it. Okay. You can't push down. No, I gotta drag just a little bit more. All right.
Now push down.
Sure. All right. Let me get that. Let me get that.
Never felt so inadequate in
Oh, that's a heavy beam. This ain't no joke. What I think I'll have you do is move that furniture mover this way, or bring that one down here. When I pick this up.
Yep. Can you? Although you pick it up from there.
Well,
maybe from here.
Yeah. I'll pick this up. That one will go on this end when I bring it in. That'll give me, it won't have so much weight to it. I can use it as a balance. Oh yeah. Oh, don't pinch my fingers. Almost dropped the thing on my fingers. Let's move those wheels down one more time.
We can try and get the pin right here.
Actually, we don't need to move the wheels down. We don't need to move the wheels down. If you put weight on that end, it'll help take the weight off this end. No, just that much weight's fine. I mean, it's that thing's about a third of the way down, so it's actually really light. All right, come down here and slide this furniture mover under here, and we can hopefully get it trimmed up. All right, slide this thing out. All right, find a balance there. Good deal. Give me a little more weight.
Yeah.
Move this way a little bit.
Better?
Yeah. Oh, I'm on the wrong way with the saw though.
That's not my fault.
I wish there was a way to lock this thing up.
Yeah. I think that's supposed to be a safety feature.
Yeah, being safety features, well, you know how that goes. I thought there was a way to lock it up.
Duct tape.
Duct tape. It'd just be nice because I could actually see
Yeah.
what I was doing. I have to say, we've gotten this down to science though. It's a lot easier using this
Yeah.
balance here.
Good?
Nope.
Oh,
Give me a
I
little
thought you
more.
said you were good.
No, not quite. There we go. Let's see. Like an
Easy.
1/8 of an inch to go. And make sure this is straight. Looks good though.
Good?
Yep. Put some weight on it. There we go. Alrighty. What a mess. Watch feet. Flip it up. Ready?
Yep.
Let me get this marked. Oh man, I didn't draw my line coming up. It's kind of hard to draw now.
Do you want oval?
No.
No?
I didn't draw the line. Go ahead and put, yeah, stand around the fulcrum there. It'd be easier to draw on this side. That would be a smart idea. Alrighty.
Nice?
Yeah, I can take a plane to it and clean that up. That'll be all right.
We're done.
Yeah,
Just want to put the.
that's
thing
both
back in.
ends. Yeah, we'll put the furniture movers back under it, but that's both ends of
Yeah.
both 6x12.
Yep. And here, watch your thing.
Alright. It's kind of a short day today, guys. We didn't have a lot of working time, but we did get these 6x12 beams cut. These are pretty heavy beams. You have to use leverage and wheels whenever you can. Watch your back. I've said it before, I'll say it again. Take care of yourself when you're trying to do this. Don't think you're the man and you're just going to pick these things up and muscle them around. We definitely used a lot of leverage, and we used these furniture movers a lot. Got everything going. But by the time we got done, after going through about 3-4 different ways of trying to cut it, I thought originally I'd use a handsaw and cut it. My handsaws are way too dull. That would have taken all day. So we fiddled around different ways of cutting it, different things to do it, different plans. Finally figured out that miter saw and using the lever right in the middle. My wife is a counterweight. Moved the saw instead of the wood. It worked out pretty good. By the time we got that fourth cut, we had to trim each end on these, square one end up and then trim it to length on the other end. By the time we got that fourth cut, we had it down pretty good. So hopefully tomorrow we have a fresh start, and I'll think about a way to put these beams in place. They've got to go 8 foot up, and there's no way I'm going to pick these things up that high. So got to figure out some more levers, some more different ideas, put these in place. I can't use a backhoe, it won't reach in here that far. But we'll figure some safe way of doing it, guarantee that. Until then, go make something. Be safe out there.